You want to know how to say the hours in English? Promise, it's a very easy thing to do. First, we are going to see these two clocks. One is digital and the other one is analog. The analog one is the most difficult one to understand because we have to pay attention to the arrows. Yes, the shortest arrow points the times, like the hours, and the longest arrow points the minutes. Let's see. Look, if the longest arrow is up here, yes, and the shortest moves, we say the times like this. Top, tap, tip. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock and it's 12 o'clock. Great! That is the easiest thing to do. But what happens if the longest arrow, the minutes one, starts to move? Look, between the times, between the hours, there are tiny 5 stripes. And those point the very exact minute. So let's see. If the longest arrow moves like this, it's 1 minute past 3. And if the longest arrow moves like that, it's 2 minutes past 3. Great, let's keep saying. It's 3 minutes past 3. It's 4 minutes past 3. It's 5 minutes past 3. Can you see? But okay, let's see. Tap, top, tip, what time is it? Oh, now the longest arrow moved a little bit further. And what minute is it pointing? Okay, can you see? Yes, 10 minutes past 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 minutes past 3. Let's keep seeing. Tap, top, tip, what time is it? And whoa, 5 more minutes. So 5 plus 10, 15. But wait, be careful here because here we have 2 options to point the time. We can say it's 15 minutes past 3, or we can say it's a quarter past 3. Okay, 15 minutes past 3 or a quarter past 3. Do you want to keep seeing the times with me? More videos.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
All right. Hello, children. Today we keep learning about the hours and we have this third activity. We are going to answer this question, what time is it? And we have these 4 timings. It's 9 o'clock, it's a quarter past 11, it's 20 minutes to 4, it's 6 minutes past 3. All right, so by using the colors, we need to draw the timings in this clock. Let me just get ready for it. I need a yellow, a pink, a blue, and a green color. So I'm going to use this orange because it's a little bit darker. This in here, this for here. And for the blue, I'll use the purple, okay? So it's 9 o'clock. If it's 9 o'clock, remember that the shortest points the hour and the largest, it's o'clock, points the minutes, okay? So this means 9 o'clock. Ding! Now let's go for a quarter past 11. we need the time, the hours with the shortest. So 11 is here. Let's just make a short arrow here. And then we need quarter, 15 minutes past. So we do it like this. Okay. Well done. And this is it. 15 minutes, a quarter. Okay, these are 15 minutes or quarter. It's exactly the same. Well done. Now let's go for the number 3. And we have it's 20 minutes to 4. So here, the number 4, where is it? In here. And okay, we need not to touch the number 4, but almost, because we are about to get in that hour. So a short arrow pointing, almost pointing the number 4. In 20 minutes, we have 5, 10, 15, and 20. 20 minutes here. Okay? We do it like this. And now we have 20 minutes to 4. Well done. And then let's go finally for the last timing. It's 6 minutes past 3. Easy. So again now, I need to paint a short arrow pointing the number 3, because that's the time. And then the minutes, we just have 6. So remember that these are 5 minutes, and this tiny one means one more. So we need to point the number 6 with a long arrow. And this is it, guys. Well done. Remember, each block of 15 minutes point a quarter, the half of the clock points past minutes, and the other half points minutes to the next timing. Good job!